Building a profitable Amazon business starts with the right tools. In this video, we'll be walking you through how to use JungleScout to do exactly that, and it's easier than you might think. If you're new to the software, don't worry. We'll keep it simple and actionable. Stick with me till the end, because I'll also be sharing an exclusive offer you don't want to miss. JungleScout is an all-in-one solution for Amazon sellers looking to scale their businesses. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your strategy, this tool has everything you need to find profitable products, validate your ideas, and track your sales performance. The first step in building a profitable Amazon business using JungleScout is product research. One of the key features of JungleScout is its product database. You can filter through thousands of products to find ones with high demand and low competition. The tool lets you easily narrow down your search using criteria like price, sales rank, reviews, and more, ensuring you're not wasting time on products that won't sell. Next, you'll want to validate your product ideas. The product tracker tool lets you monitor the performance of your potential products in real time. You can track sales history, price changes, and reviews, which helps you gauge how well a product is likely to perform before you make any investment. This feature helps you make data-driven decisions, which is critical when building a profitable Amazon business. Once you've validated your product, it's time to optimize your listings. JungleScout's listing builder helps you craft the perfect Amazon listing, ensuring you're using the right keywords and the most compelling copy to drive traffic and conversions. With JungleScout's keyword research tool, you can easily identify high-volume search terms that your potential customers are looking for. Ranking higher for the right keywords can make a significant difference in your sales. To further streamline your business, JungleScout offers tools to track your sales, inventory, and even run targeted ad campaigns. With its sales analytics feature, you'll get a clear view of how your business is performing, where you can improve, and how to forecast future growth. Now, here's the best part. You don't have to jump into this blindly. You can start using JungleScout for free with our exclusive trial link in the description. That means you can get access to the exact tools I'm talking about today, without any upfront commitment. Building a profitable Amazon business using JungleScout can seem overwhelming at first, but once you get the hang of it, you'll see how it gives you a massive advantage in a competitive marketplace. With product research, validation, and optimization all in one platform, JungleScout is an essential tool for any serious Amazon seller. To wrap it up, if you're ready to take your Amazon business to the next level, click the link below for an extended free trial of JungleScout. Don't miss out on this exclusive offer and start building the business you've always wanted today.